up, YouTube? Alright, so I'm here with a student. Say hi to the camera, madam. I'm here with a student. I'm at one of the Broward County DMV location. Again, I can't say which one it is, but I can show you the scenery. We're gonna be doing the driving test. They open in about half an hour, so she's gonna be testing in about half an hour. We've been running through the tests multiple times this morning, so I am positive she'll do well. Okay, I'm gonna again show you guys. I have my merchandise. This is my hat in the store, my YouTube store. I have multiple color hats. I have hoodies. I have t-shirts. Please go to the store, buy something to support the cause. Alright, buy anything. I don't care what you buy, just buy something. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Tell your friends about it, right? Alright, so they're gonna ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
You turn the steering wheel to the left. You put the car in park, you put up the parking brake and turn off the engine.
Okay, go ahead, do your turn signal. Signal left, signal right. Blow the horn. And press and release the brake. Alright. Again, they're asking you to do that because they want to make sure that the lights are working. Turn signal lights, brake lights, and the horn. They will not take you out in a car if those things are not working, right? Alright, so now they're gonna tell you the examiners are in the car. Again, for those that are still watching the older videos and thinking they're outside of the car, they are in the car. Alright, so we're gonna reverse from here and we're going to go to the left. Alright. Alright, turn right, all the way right. I thought you left, man. Yeah, it's done. Alright, make a left. So you wait for it to be clear. You can take a quick glance at the camera and see what you like. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna go down to the end by the stop sign. We're gonna make a left turn. Alright, so you make sure you signal left. Stop completely, look both ways here and go ahead and make your left turn. We're gonna go all the way down to the end and then we're gonna make a left turn again. It does. It turns sometimes when I'm not even trying to turn it, like right now. Alright, we're gonna make a right turn. So you're gonna go up and past this tree, right? Make sure your mirror is past the curb before you turn. That way your back wheel will definitely clear it. Alright, go ahead. And you're gonna stay in your right lane because they're gonna tell you to speed up and do a sudden stop. Alright, so go down to about here. You're gonna stop here. Reverse, straight back. Okay, that's good enough. Stop right there. Now they're gonna ask you to speed up to 20 and do a sudden stop. It's called a quick stop. So go ahead, speed up and stop. Okay, cool, just like that. Alright, now we're gonna go around the corner, make a left turn. So make sure you signal. We're gonna pull up next to the right side because they're gonna ask you to park in between the cones. So again, the closer you are to the right side, the easier it is to park. So signal left. Make sure you line up your mirror with the cone. Turn all the way left. And you're gonna go until you get to the middle of the space and straighten the wheel. Pull straight in, don't go too fast. Okay, that's good. Reverse. We're gonna go to the left to do your 3-point turn. As soon as your mirror is past the cone, turn all the way right. Okay, that's good. Alright, stay close to the right side here. We're going to do the 3-point turn. So stop about here. 3-point turn, signal left. Turn all the way left until the wheel stops. Go forward, stop before you hit that curb. Alright. Reverse all the way right. Look over your left shoulder. And you're going to stop as soon as your mirror is past the middle line. Cool. So you signal left twice. You go left twice, you signal left twice in the 3-point turn. Okay, now we're going to come to a complete stop at this stop sign. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and make your left turn. Stay in the right lane. And again, we have this long DMV line. It's not as long this morning as it usually is, actually. Alright, so we're going to go down here and make a left turn. Bumpy behind road. Stay close to the right side here and make another quick lap. The second space from the end right here. Go some more. Go to the eye. Straight up and stop. Put the car in park.
I'll park straight.
Alright, let's go. Alright, so how you think you did overall?
I did okay.
You did okay? Mm-hmm. You did better than okay. Yeah, so yeah, she's finished practicing. She's gonna test in about 20 minutes. At least the DMV opens in 20 minutes, so she's gonna test as soon as they get to her. She'll pass. I am positive she'll pass. So again, please like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell. And again, jump into my store on YouTube. When you're on there watching the video, just click on the store link and buy something to support the channel. Alright? Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next. Say something to the camera, by the way. Tell them to subscribe.
Subscribe to the channel.
Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.